Want to turn your bath into a spa-like oasis? Discover the magic of a DIY lavender bath soak. Start by gathering dried lavender buds and Epsom salt, your key ingredients for this calming bath experience. Measure 1 cup of Epsom salt, known for its muscle-relaxing properties, and pour it into a mixing bowl. Next, add half a cup of dried lavender buds, renowned for their soothing aroma and ability to promote relaxation. Stir gently to combine. For an extra touch of luxury, you can also add a few drops of lavender essential oil, enhancing the floral scent and therapeutic benefits. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Now let's move to the bath. Run warm water in the tub, ensuring it's at a comfortable temperature for soaking. As the tub fills, sprinkle your lavender mixture under the running water, allowing the salt and lavender to dissolve and infuse the bath. Once ready, step in and immerse yourself in the tranquility. Feel the stress melt away as the aromatic lavender envelops you, soothing both body and mind. After soaking for at least 20 minutes, you'll emerge feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. For more natural beauty tips, subscribe to Random Glow Guide and transform your self-care routine.